Hi! In front of me is Vivo Y22S, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this Vivo. First of all, you need to open an app called Files. Then tap on Continue, choose Allow or Don't Allow in Notifications pop-up, and click on Browse in the middle at the bottom. Lastly, just click on Downloads. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!